how to reset or reinstall Windows without data loss. This works on both Windows 10 and 11. On your PC, press Windows and I keys to open Settings. Go to System from the left, scroll down, click on Recovery, and then click the Reset PC button. It will now give you two options. Pick Keep My Files. It's critical that you select this to avoid data loss. Give it a few seconds to load. You're then asked to pick between Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. If you have a decent internet speed with no data limits, I recommend you go with Cloud Download. On this screen, verify that everything is in order and click Next. It's a pretty basic check. Windows will now get things ready for the reset. This process takes 2 to 3 minutes if you have picked Cloud Download earlier. Once you get to the Ready to Reset this PC screen, it will list what changes will be made to the PC post-reset. Since we are saving local files, it says Keep Personal Files. Underneath, it reads Download and Reinstall Windows, since we opted for Cloud Install. Below that, it says Remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, which means the reset will uninstall all third-party software. Lastly, you will find that it says Cloud Download can use more than 3.37 gigabytes of data. That's the size of data it will download from Microsoft's dedicated servers. If everything looks in order to you, go ahead and click on Reset. It will take 45 to 90 minutes, and the computer will restart several times during the process. So make sure that the computer is connected to a stable power supply and don't interrupt the process at any cost. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.